Well, we at the High Value Manufacturing Catapult are working on this project titled Design Against Distortion in Additive Manufacture. This is to try to mitigate or eliminate distortion altogether. Distortion is a serious problem. It can cause either build failure during manufacture, or it can cause malfunction in service. Now, simulation can resolve this, and through simulation you can predict distortion and you can compensate for it during the build strategy. By doing that, you have reduced the required number of physical prototypes, hence you're saving time, money, and reducing waste, metal waste. You are improving the quality of the component. You're enhancing the complexity of it and also the innovative side, and hence you are increasing competitiveness, leading to company growth.